welcome to Latest Cars Info, your favorite channel where we bring you the latest, hottest, and most surprising updates from the world of cars. If you're passionate about classic legends reborn with a modern twist, you're in the right place. Let's dive into something truly unexpected and iconic: the return of the Citroën 2CV in 2026. The Citroën 2CV, originally launched in 1948, was never about luxury or speed. It was about simplicity, practicality, and serving the people. Over the decades, this quirky little car became a symbol of charm and French ingenuity. And now, in 2026, Citroën has done something bold. They've reimagined the 2CV for a new generation. The first thing you'll notice about the 2026 2CV is that it doesn't try to hide its roots. It celebrates them. The rounded fenders, the upright windshield, the exposed wheel arches, all take clear inspiration from the original model. But there's a futuristic twist. LED lighting, aerodynamic tweaks, and a more robust stance make sure this isn't just retro for nostalgia's sake. It's a confident blend of past and future. Built on Stellantis's compact electric platform, the new 2CV is 100% electric. That's right, no gas engine here. It comes with a 45 to 55 kilowatt-hours battery, giving it a real-world range of around 300 kilometers or 186 miles. This makes it a perfect choice for city driving and short countryside escapes. Just like the original was designed for. And here's where things get even more interesting. The 2026 2CV is extremely lightweight thanks to recycled aluminum panels and minimalist interiors. But don't let that fool you. It includes essentials like a 10-inch infotainment screen, smartphone integration, voice controls, and advanced safety features like lane assist and automatic emergency braking. The dashboard is inspired by the original car's simplicity. You won't find dozens of buttons or flashy chrome here. Instead, Citroën focuses on what matters: functionality, comfort, and character. There's even a modern take on the hammock-style seats, using sustainable fabric materials that are both stylish and breathable. Performance-wise, it's no sports car, and that's not the goal. It reaches 0 to 60 kilometers per hour in about 6.5 seconds, which is more than enough for urban driving. The top speed is around 120 kilometers per hour or 75 miles per hour, ensuring smooth travel on city roads and smaller highways. The suspension setup is soft and flexible, just like the original, making sure you float over bumps and rough roads effortlessly. Citroën is also offering a unique customization program with the new 2CV. You can choose from bright, retro-inspired colors, roof types including soft tops, and wheel designs that throw back to the vintage era. Whether you want a mustard yellow classic look or a sleek all-black modern version, the options are as charming as the car itself. Now let's talk pricing. The expected starting price is around 22,000 to 25,000 euros, depending on the configuration. That puts it in the affordable EV category, competing with models like the Dacia Spring and Renault 5 EV, but none of them offer the iconic status and emotional connection of the 2CV. So, who is this car for? It's for the dreamers, the minimalists, and those who love to drive something different. It's not trying to be the fastest or the most luxurious. It's a lifestyle choice, a statement, and perhaps a little love letter to the past. That's all for today's video on the Reborn 2026 Citroën 2CV. If you love cars with character and stories behind them, this one's going to capture your heart. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Latest Cars Info for more amazing updates. See you in the next video.